person files. The stories unreported that never go to trial, for the names that are ignored by a country in denial. We are louder than them. For the daughters who have disappeared when they stood to disobey, when a life that's lived in freedom is a threat to some old way. Sentences cut short when there is so much more to say. We are louder than them. We will not be silent, we will not be shamed. We will not sit still and bend our will in honor's name. Don't come for permission, there are no warning shots. We are the voices that call out for those who cannot. Neighbors warned, don't walk alone down streets we thought we knew. And suddenly we're reckless, and the consequences due to the men who just can't help themselves and the courts who wave them through. We are louder than them. To the officer who looked at her and said she was to blame, woman charged in self-defense when the judge denied her claim. The history that haunts us and the fear that never goes away. We're louder than them. And we will not be silent, and we will not be shamed, and we will not sit still and bend our will in honor's name. There are no warning shots. We are the voices that call out for those who cannot. These are not isolated incidents. We are not isolated innocents. It's more than just coincidence, and we are louder. It's urgency that drives us, and mercy that survives us. It's her and him and I and us, and we are louder. Oh, we are louder than them. We are louder than them. So let's choose change to counter danger, love the company we keep, who challenge us and dare to call us weak. When equality has fallen from the language that they speak, we are louder than them. We will not be silent, we will not be shamed, and we will not sit still and bend our will in honor's name. There are no warning shots. We are the voices that call out for those who cannot. We are the voices that call out.
Nijedna žena manje, nijedna mrtva više.
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 Nijedna žena manje, nijedna mrtva više.